Hello and welcome to another update video about QNT, which is one of the coins that's getting more interesting now that we finally see a little bit of price action. QNT has reached the target. We talked about the third wave target here as possibly the 1.618 extension level. It's at least one of the typical and very common targets for a third wave that was reached. And now it is possible, entirely possible, that this fourth wave is unfolding. So bigger picture, so the bear market low might have been in here in October, might have been completed. Not the bear market low, that was actually last year. No, but the larger wave 2 correction. Obviously, we talked about that in the previous videos. QNT might have started a new uptrend. So we talked about this wave 1 to the upside, talked about this wave 2, support did hold. We then talked about the next wave 1, the next wave 2, support did hold. And basically these support or trend reversal areas, they can be used as the jump off point for a third wave rally, and the price did that. All that needed to happen was for the bulls to show up. The setups were there, actually quite a bullish structure given that we had a 1-2-1-2 structure. And then now the third wave to the upside here, the 1.618 extension level at $152 is basically the next, or was one of the next targets, together with the $143 level. And now, yeah, I'm very happy. I mean, I would be very happy if this is now complete, because this wave 1 was 5 waves. This wave 2 was 3. Yeah, you can say maybe this is already complete. I mean, you could still extend further, but the main level to watch is the $126 level. So that's really support. So against that level, we can focus on higher, regardless of whether the wave 4 has started or not, or if this is all still part of a still unfolding third wave. Yeah, so this is a bit unclear, and there is not the answer, but it looks a little bit as if this fourth wave might have started, but I don't fully trust it yet, because it would mean that, I mean, oftentimes a wave 2 and a wave 4 have roughly the same length. I just know that, I mean, from experience, I can tell that QNT's third waves tend to extend. So I wouldn't be surprised, if we were going to do a bit of micro counting here, this could be a small 1-2 setup as well, yeah, and then another 1-2, 3, 4, 5, so that this was only the 3, then this is forming a smaller degree 4 and one more high in 5. If that is the case, it wouldn't change the assumption at all. It would simply mean wave 3 is extending, which is what QNT loves to do. In this case, the next upside targets are $158, $166, maybe even $182. That would be quite extended. The support levels are defined here, 126, 132, 140. As long as 126 is holding, a fifth wave to the upside can easily unfold. And then this would only be circle wave 3. Ideally, we'd like to see another 4 after that and another wave 5. And then we could already look at $200 plus before the next deeper pullback is occurring. At the moment, looking at the microstructure, I mean, absolutely, this could be wave 3 complete or a sub wave of wave 3. But then obviously it could do this A, B, C. This is really just the microstructure. And if this is the main wave 4 that we just talked about, or just a sub-wave, doesn't really matter. I mean, anything really that happens between where the price is now and that $126 level is just noise. Important is that $126 are holding for further trend continuation higher. The deeper we go into this pullback support zone, the higher the reward to risk ratio for any long positions. And yeah, I mean, if we have wave 4 complete, then we can calculate with, let's say, higher reliability, a target for wave 5 of 3. Okay, so we need that wave 4 complete to calculate a target for wave 5. So uptrend not broken. Yeah, we could see a temporary pullback, but after the breakout, also given how strong QNT still seems to be today, pullbacks in an uptrend are usually opportunities. So I think I don't need to say any more. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.